How to spread hollow in Terraria. So first is you can place pearlstone blocks specifically in the area you want converted over time. I have some pearlstone blocks right here, and you could also use or plant hollow weed seeds directly onto existing grass blocks in that same area. Let's try putting some hollow weed seeds right here, just like that. And once they're placed down, you just basically need to wait patiently. The hollow will naturally convert nearby tiles over time on its own, gradually spreading outward from each of your starting points across the map. And as you can see, my background even changed once I've placed enough hollow weed seeds right here. So let's try to do it on this biome. So I'm going to place a lot of these seeds. And as you can see, the background changed into hollow. And you just basically need to wait until everything is converted. And just a quick tip, conversions won't cross open gaps like water, lava, or empty airspace between tiles. So if you want full, even coverage across a large area, you'll need multiple separate starting points rather than relying on just one, since the natural spread stops wherever there's a break in the terrain. And that's how you basically spread hollow in Terraria.